Where are we headed?
Colorado.
For what?
Deer hunt.
Do you know what season we're going to?
Nope.
Second season, Colorado hunt. Hopefully we can kill big deer.
Yep.
4 days-ish?
4 days.
5 or 6? We'll see. We're gonna go kill big deer though. We're excited and we're headed out. Got the whole crew other than Dakota because he's got to work, so it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be cold, but we're gonna go kill a buck.
Yep.
Truck, and I just glassed up a shed, so we're gonna go grab it. It's just right up here. Just walking up on this shed. Let's see. Ellie, where's it at? It looked hard white. It's right here somewhere. Ah. You see a shed? It's right here somewhere. Oh. It's directly across from these rocks. Right there. That's a big shed. Dang. Dang. That's a big one. Holy smokes. Ellie, you wanna come video me? It's videoing. Okay guys, just got here on Ellie's unit. I just found this sweet shed. I'm gonna pick it up. Oh yeah. That's a good buck. Heck yeah, look at all these little cheaters. Let's go shoot him, yeah? Sweet.
Guess so.
Back to the hunt. Night one. Ellie's hunt started last Saturday. We showed up today. How you feeling?
Good.
Good. Warm. Got the wall tent all set up. Heater, light. Got some hot chocolate going. Saw some deer today, so that's confident. Mom's freezing. Dad, how are you feeling about this spot?
Good.
Good.
Lots of deer.
Lots of deer. Shed.
Oh, Christian picked up a big shed. Met some nice guys from Texas.
It's gonna be fun.
Mom has tomato soup and hot chocolate in her pants. It's warm.
All right, tomorrow we're gonna go kill big deer.
We're gonna go kill big deer.
Sweet. It's our opening morning. How's the hunter?
Good.
How many deer have we seen this morning? Oh, we saw 4 does.
Oh yeah.
No bucks.
No, but
Dad's out glassing. We're just sticking and moving. Hopefully we can turn up something today. At least see a nice buck. That's the goal.
Or find a Starbucks.
Or find a Starbucks. How'd you guys sleep last night?
Got a whole 14 minutes.
It was cold last night. These guys froze. I slept like a baby, but
No, it was good. Christian and Bill kept us warm by a fire going. I did think that it was snowing on top of me at one point.
it was cold. Cold. But hopefully it's warming up now and we can turn up a buck. So we'll let you know. Keep you updated.
You just toes?
Yeah. Road shed. Let's go grab it. Let's get it zoomed in. Looks like a decent little 4-point. I'll take that all day. Hard whitey. Oh, that's been laying there a long time too. Not a bad buck. It's good. We've seen some bucks in Arizona. It's shed number 2 for me. So get back to the truck. Go find some more.
We've been out for one day. Saw a lot of deer, a couple bucks. Going out again.
Day 2.
Day 2.
How you feeling about your unit?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah. There's a lot of deer. They're not very big, but we'll find a big one.
It's cold.
It's cold. It's freezing.
23 degrees. But today maybe could be the day.
Yep.
Hopefully Christian can find another shed.
Yeah.
So, sweet. Show some deer and hopefully find something. There we got road shed number 3. It's over there. The gals.
What?
I said the gals. I'm just showing them the road shed. Alright. Coming up on road shed number 3. I'm gonna say it was this year's horn. It's not a bad buck. Definitely gonna say it was a brown this year. Yeah. This year's brown. That's cool. That is cool. It's good to know. See, I'll zoom out. Sweet. Heavy sucker. Sweet. Keep going. The truck is right there. How's today going?
Good.
How many deer have we seen?
I don't know.
Not a lot.
Not a lot.
It's slow, but we did see a big buck this morning.
Yep.
So hopefully we can go get it killed tonight. Dropped
Got
him.
him. You got him. He's down.
Alright, Ellie, what'd you just do?
children.
This is Ellie's Colorado 2023 buck. She shot it from way up there, 430 yards. 2 shots. She did excellent. Go help Dad pull it out.
I'm good. It's a cutie.
Oh yeah. It's a good buck.
Big old buffalo head.
Yeah.
It's like mom's.
Good job.
It's got a broken one right there, you know.
Huh? He broke that off, huh?
Just barely.
Yeah. It's been a while ago. Dude, that's a heavy deer.
He's chunky.
Sweet. Go.
Okay, so this is my Colorado deer. Second season, first buck. Hunted for 4 days. Was sick this morning. Shot it at sick this morning. Had a fever. Shot it at 430 yards. Yeah.
Hunted hard for 4 days.
Hunted hard for 4 days.
Dad's gonna get in here.
Yeah, can't talk.
What else?
I saw tons of deer.
Tons of deer.
We've seen a lot of deer. Probably 15 to 30 bucks a day. Just nothing real big, huh? Seen one good one on private, two good ones.
Two good on private.
What else? Ate good food. Stayed in the wall tent.
You left 2 points.
I love 2 points.
This deer's old.
2 on this side, 4 on this side. He's a brute of a deer.
He is huge.
4 or 5 years
Hello.
old.
Big
Chunky.
body.
5 years old.
Probably one of the older deer we've seen.
Yeah, mature. It's been fun.
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. Got Mom. You want to get in here?
Come on.
Come on. Anything to say?
No. I'm glad it's fun.
How's your experience been?
It's been fun.
Amber stayed in the wall tent. What else?
Stayed in a wall tent. It was really cold, but it was been fun. I haven't slept in 4 days because I kept a fire going, but this is probably the funnest unit for deer we've ever hunted because we see so many deer. Christian's 4 for 4 on his shed hunting while we've been here, so that's been cool too. But Ellie, as soon as she saw this deer, she loved that it had a huge body, that it was a 4-point, and then when she realized it also was a 2-point, that's what sold it for her. So pretty cool to be here with Christian and Bill.
As far as public land deer, this is probably top 5 that we've seen off of the private.
For sure. Private land sucks, but this has been awesome.
It's been a fun hunt. Beautiful deer. Good job, Ellie.
Thanks.
Let's get this thing taken care of.